Apollo 7 safely returns to Earth, October 20th, 1968. On October 20th, 1968, Apollo 7 safely returned to Earth, completing NASA's first successful manned mission in the Apollo program. This mission was critical in rebuilding confidence in space exploration after the tragic Apollo 1 fire, which claimed the lives of 3 astronauts. During its 11-day mission, Apollo 7 orbited the Earth, testing spacecraft systems essential for the Apollo program's ultimate goal, landing a man on the moon. The mission also featured the first live television broadcast from space, giving the public a rare glimpse of life aboard a spacecraft. Led by Commander Walter Schirra, the Apollo 7 crew's success paved the way for future Apollo missions, including the monumental Apollo 11 moon landing in July 1969. What do you think was the most important outcome of the Apollo 7 mission? Share your thoughts in the comments. For more history insights and compelling stories, subscribe, like, and share.